What's good, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'll be doing a review on this company by the name of YOLOVA hair. They did reach out to me and wanted me to do a review on their hair to see how I like it, and if I like it, share with my supporters. And of course, you guys know I'm gonna just keep it real with y'all when it pertains to these hair companies. So what I would like to start off with this hair is that this hair is extremely soft. I love the way it feels. I love how easy it was to install. You guys know that I'm not no pro, I'm not a professional, but I do what I gotta do, especially when budget looking funny, or if I don't have a professional styler to go ahead and hook a sister up, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of it myself. So for me to have been able to take care of it myself, I am very impressed and I am very happy the way it turned out. And if you guys are beginner friendly and you're kind of skeptical, like I don't know, guys, I was like, I don't know, but I like to play with wigs and I'm learning, and the more I do reviews, the more I get sent wigs, the more I'm learning, so eventually I'm gonna get better. But I did have to pluck the hair, and I'll put a video right here showing you guys how much hair I had to pluck out. I'm not a plugger. Half the time I don't know what I'm plugging. Sometimes I think I'm plugging more than I'm supposed to plug. The minute I put it on my head, it just still look like, you know, it still look kind of off. But this one was easy. Like, and I can also say that even by removing the hair, it was not as difficult and as tough to remove the hair, and the lace is pretty strong. So I was kind of surprised when I was like plucking out the hair, like how easy it was coming out. And I did not bleach the lace, I did not glue it down. What you see here is just like me applying powder to the lace, and also I just sprayed it down with like the Got To Be. So yeah, so I just sprayed it out. So I just sprayed it down with the Got To Be. Guys, some of you guys know that I work out. So when I work out, I do not like to work out with my wig. So when I'm ready to go to the gym or whatever I'm doing, I want to be able to take out my hair, and I'm not going to, you know, rock no cornrows. So of course I did not glue it down, or I did not, you know, sew it down. I just pull my hair back in a sleek back ponytail, and when I want to wear the wig, I wear the wig. When I'm ready to work out, the wig is coming off. So what I want to do with this wig is add a band to it, just so, you know, I could take it on and off, on and off. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But also I think I want to also bleach it, but I'm not going to come back here like, hey guys, look at it, bleach. So I'll let you guys know that in the description box on how I feel about it once it's bleached. If I don't end up bleaching it and I'm just okay with just using the powder continuously, y'all don't worry about it. It won't be down in the description box, okay? It won't be down there. But what I can say about this hair, I do love how like easy it was to install. I love the fact how soft it is. So anyways, guys, let me give y'all more information about this wig. So this wig, YOLOVA Hair Company, is 100% virgin human hair brand for Black women. Yeah, like you, like me, like you. Okay, so with this company, they are eager to provide high quality professional human hair designed for Black women. Their brand cares about the need of Black women and is committed to make each of their customer hair shopping experience simple and satisfying. So I like that. I like how they're thinking about us. I like it. And you know, you gotta think about my, you know, my Caucasian sisters, my Hispanic sisters. We haven't forgot about y'all. Y'all can wear this too. You know what I mean? Like, it ain't, even though it's like close to our texture, but still we be rocking like that Brazilian hair. That ain't our texture, but still we still be rocking it. So I know y'all can rock like our texture. Okay, so this hair came as a loose. It is a 13 by 4, 24 inches. Like I said, it's a 13 by 4. I did want a 13 by 6, but for some reason it still came in 13 by 4. But it's all right. It's all right. And also, I believe that the lace is like transparent because it was so easy when I add the powder. It like literally just like dissolved and it just like blended. Anyways, so the hair information is a natural Black human hair. Length is 24. Density is 180%. Guys, I'm also gonna be honest with y'all. I'm not 180% type chick. I am 150. I like my hair to be as natural because I know my hair is not that thick like that. So I believe my hair range the you know, the density of my natural hair is probably around 150, maybe 145. But yeah, but I do like it. It's cute or whatever. And then also I'll put the link down in the description box exactly what hair this is. I think the price range runs around from, like, I would say 200 to 4. Anyways, okay guys, the link will be down in the description box if you want to take a look. Like, if you got moolah baby, then go ahead. But if you like me, I just want to say thank you, YOLOVA, because I probably would have never looked your way, and never. And also there is a special code. It's BLINDA, so the letter B, LINDA. I don't know if they forgot the E, but I don't think so, because the way it's capital B, capital LINDA, so I'm pretty sure they wanted to be BLINDA. And there's also different codes from different other YouTubers that did videos pertaining to this hair company. You guys can check them out as well. Okay, let's support each other. Let's support each other. And what else did I like about this hair? Like I said, like, this wig is like really nice. I love the quality. I love how soft it is. I love how long it is. And I love, like, you know, for it to be 180% density, it's cool. We all right. Like, you know, it's straight. I did not like it for some reason. I wasn't feeling like the loose wave texture. I don't know why, but I wasn't feeling it. So I went ahead and I straightened this. And I straightened this wig for about, like, I straightened this wig about like 45 times. And this hair can definitely take heat. What would I rate it? I will, from 1 out of 10, I would give it like a 7.58. A 7.58. And I'm just gonna give it a 7.58, maybe because, like, I'm not like I'm not a professional stylist where I know how to install like wigs. But for me to be a beginner, and for me to, like, kind of was able to put on the wig, I think, like, the way I put it on, like, you definitely can go out with this. Like, you don't have to be ashamed. You don't have to be like, oh, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Would I recommend this wig? Yes, I will recommend it. But the money part, like the pocket part, I don't know. And like I said before, I would have never looked at this company because the money part is not fitting in my budget. You feel me? Like, it's just not fit in my budget. But other than that, I would highly recommend this company. It's just that part, okay, that part. So I hope that this video was able to help someone if someone's looking for a company, like, where they want to purchase a wig and, you know, they need like some good quality hair. Like, yes, this is some good quality hair. I can tell, like, this wig can last for a while. The lace seems pretty strong from how I was plucking it, and like I said, I ain't no pro, so I was like plucking it pretty hard. So yeah, so I hope that this video was able to help someone. And if you guys are not a subscriber to my channel, feel free to subscribe. Like, click that button, hit that bell so you're notified every single time I post up a video. But anyways, guys, I just want to leave you guys with words of encouragement. Continue to keep your head up, as I always say. Continue to push forward, continue to move forward, pray, and continue to go after what your heart desire. But of course, you want to bring it to God first. Let God give you the okay, the confirmation, and then, like, push forward. It's not going to be easy. Life is not easy in general. So whatever you're going through, continue to trust in the Lord. Be strong. And I hope you guys have a blessed day, blessed night, whenever you decide to watch this. God bless you, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.